Hello everyone, this is Emily. Welcome to this Uni-edit video. Warning! Exclamation marks can be rude. An often overused stylistic tool to convey emotive language is the exclamation mark. In native English, the exclamation mark means urgent, forward, direct, demanding, angry. This punctuation mark is mainly reserved for expressive writing, such as dialogue, screenwriting, and creative writing, and thus is rarely, if ever, used in academic prose. Writer's meaning. Attached is my new version. I am glad to finally finish it and send it to you. The sentence. Here is my new version. Reader's feeling. Stop pressuring me already, and here is what you demanded from me. Writer's meaning. I hope you have a nice day. Sentence. Have a good day. Reader's feeling. Glad I can finally stop dealing with you. Writer's meaning. This is an urgent thing I need, and I'd appreciate if you can respond without delay. Sentence. I need it quickly. Reader's feeling. You aren't being quick enough for me, and I feel like I am your boss telling you what to do. Writer's meaning. I have gladly received what you sent. Sentence. I received the file. Reader's feeling. I no longer need anything else from you. Writer's meaning. The email was very important, so I am nagging you so you will answer quickly. Sentence. Did you receive my last email? Reader's feeling. I've sent you an email and would like a response. From the examples, you can see that using the exclamation mark can be rude or demanding. Avoid using the exclamation in your email correspondence. Once again, this is Emily from Uni-edit. Have a wonderful day.